Okay, everybody, we got ourselves a very interesting month for airdrops, and as I've been alluding in the previous months that we would have this sort of airdrop season kick in the late stages of the summer, and that has been really kind of starting now, as we have seen so many projects already be announcing that yes, we are doing a token, yes, we're going to be launching a token at some point. So there's going to be a lot of DeFi drops especially, and token releases happening for a lot of these test nets, which we have covered on the channel. But let's now focus on a lot of the things that we have going on right now that you can participate on. First and foremost, I did actually do a stream on Rumble, which goes into the Linea airdrop qualifications. It's around 1 hour long, and it goes into basically all the necessary dApps that probably going to be part of the qualification requirements to get the actual Linea airdrop. And as I said in that video, that is likely going to be the largest airdrop to date in terms of its raised money from investors, so it's probably going to be valued a lot higher than Arboretum, for example. So that's why I would really incentivize everybody to start interacting with the Linea mainnet soon as possible. Our next drop is actually by Gitcoin, and Gitcoin is obviously a form of a fundraising platform for a lot of crypto projects. Sometimes when you have donated into Gitcoin, that has been criteria to get an airdrop. It has been for like Optimism, for example. And Gitcoin is now doing this anti-Cybel thing. So basically, you can do this Gitcoin passport thing. And in this Gitcoin passport, basically, you can like link your Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, all of these profiles. And by linking those things, you are going to be getting an increased score. And depending on that score, you are going to be getting different levels of reward. So I got like over 30 points. So I was basically able to unlock the Awakened Being and the previous 4 OATs. And these are probably going to be criteria in some airdrops. It may be multiple even ones. So I really recommend getting some type of a like proof. These are like anti-Cybel proofs, which are really important because I think there's going to be a lot more Cybel checks in upcoming airdrops in DeFi, for example. And this is like really easy stuff. You just need to link your accounts, and then there's also a referral system here to bring in over other people. Moving on, we have R3VLV2. I have no idea what the fuck this is, but it's something to do with some type of access to this promotion, and it basically allows you to connect your wallet, and then you get an invite link, and by getting more invites, you're going to be higher on the criteria to basically get in. A lot of people have been speculating that this has to do with something with an airdrop, and that's why I basically included here on the video. So definitely worth watching because it's so easy to do. Then we have Trade Sniper, a very popular NFT platform, which is basically for people who want to, well, as the name suggests, snipe NFTs. And they have started out on, airdrop now, and this basically just requires you to invite other people, and you need a Twitter account. So I think there's going to be some requirements maybe for the Twitter, and then there is like things like having the lifetime access, the Sniper lifetime access NFT. And this can be staked, and this will give you the TS rewards. And then there's like even burning the lifetime access is going to be getting you TS rewards. And this is going to be the ultimate meme for influence economy. So who knows what this is going to be amounting to. But Trade Sniper is already established, NFT platform. And I think this is going to be following suit where there's going to be other platforms which are going to be issuing their own tokens as well. But anybody can basically enter, which is a very good thing. Moving on, we have CyberConnect. This was a sale that happened on CoinList. We covered it. Sadly, I wasn't one of those people who made it to that sale. And now they have basically issued, they are going to be doing an airdrop, which is going to be able to be checked in August 4th, And this is going to be claimable on 15th. And 2.4% of the supply is going to be delegated into people who have the mystery box, the shards, mini shards, or West token, or the Cyber Profile early adopter NFT, or Cyber Profile premium handle. And I wasn't eligible for this because I didn't interact in this extent with the CyberConnect platform. But in case you did, congratulations, you are going to be getting one of those airdrops. And moving on, we have the WorldCoin, which I already did a fantastic video. I put a lot of time into that. It took like a day to basically make all the graphics and everything. So definitely go check out my review on the WorldCoin. Now, to very summarize, I really recommend watching the video before doing anything with the WorldCoin. But basically, as you can see on the globe, there are these physical locations in parts of America, in parts of basically every continent out there. And if you are going to be going into these locations physically and get your eyes scanned, no other KYC, only your eyes, and then I think you need to verify your phone number on the application, you are going to be getting the World ID airdrop, which is roughly around 25 coins, and that is over $50 as of right now. And after every month, you're going to be getting one WorldCoin. So basically, I think all things considered, you are going to be getting around like $100 a year, basically, on the current rates. So I'm planning to get one, but I don't know when I'm going to be going to and where I'm going to be going. Into closest place to me is Berlin. But obviously there are some security issues and all those things, which I have covered in the video. So definitely go check that out before making those decisions. But then again, it's free money, so why not? Then we have a Gleam promotion, which is, you know, basically each participant will be getting $50 worth of MZR tokens. That's definitely is not going to be the ending price, because the tokens price is probably going to be going down. And there's like a bunch of different social media tasks that you can do to basically get more raffle tickets on this price. And there are going to be tokens that are going to be distributed. Obviously, game fees don't do that well. They might crash really, really badly. But I do want to say that it's still kind of worth entering, because there are not really that many Gleam drops really going on. So people who don't have money to interact with some dApps or something like that, this is another great opportunity. Then we have Tubby, and Tubby is one of these DeFi protocols which are bound to do an airdrop, and definitely you want to enter into it. I featured this last month, but I only got one person to actually go through, which is very sad given the fact that Tubby has, I think they have raised quite a fair amount of money. And basically there's an invite quest, and then there's like a quest here to basically join into their Twitter and Discord, and basically you will be getting these chests. By every 5 people you bring in, you are going to be getting a bronze artifact, and then there is some type of a tier list here. So more people you bring in, more rewards you will be getting. But even if you don't bring in any people through the invite quest, you can still make money from the sailor quest, and there's going to be multiple you know, parts here, probably 4 parts, and then there's a Reddit quest on top of that. But don't sleep on Tubby, guys. Don't really sleep on it. I really don't recommend that. Then we have decentralized exchange launching on Arboretum. So by interacting freely on their testnet and performing some of these social media tasks here, you are able to be eligible for the SEX token. Yeah, that's a pretty horrible actual maybe Sooks would have been better for this, but okay, that's the ticker they want to use, fine by me. And this basically is going to be running till August 16th. So you have until then to start interacting with there's different, you know, trading rewards, interaction rewards, and bot bounty rewards. So a lot of different things. Valuation, I have no idea how this is going to be doing. Arboretum already has a couple of different exchanges already, but I think it's worth you still looking into. Next up, we have Interact, which seems to be another new Quest website, and they have a promotion that is ending out today, and they're going to be having a week 2 starting out tomorrow. And this is just like basic social media tasks, and these are happening on ZK-EVM. ZK-EVM is like top 3 of those mainnet, you know, networks which don't have their token yet. And this is going to be part of Polygon, obviously. So it's going to be valued very, very highly, because Polygon, as far as I remember, is still top 10 token. So once they're going to be releasing their governance token, that is going to be valued hugely as well. And they have already confirmed they're going to be probably doing something on Polygon ZK-EVM. So I really recommend start doing transactions on this mainnet. And this quest is probably going to be one of those criteria probably going onwards, and I'm probably going to be doing a full stream video about going into this Polygon ZK-EVM stuff, because I think it's going to be one of those big heavy hitters alongside with Linea and Starknet. Next up, we have a crypto analytics platform called Nansen, and everybody is basically aping into this. Nansen has been part of like scanning a lot of other airdrop works on other places. They're kind of connected to a lot of things, and that's why I'm really recommending joining in. You just need to put out your email, join in, and then you also get a referral link that you can boost up to basically get chance to basically get accepted here. And if you get accepted, I recommend interacting to a certain degree, not necessarily paying anything, but still interacting in case you're going to be getting the part of the airdrop that they may be doing, or they might be a qualification for another airdrop for a project that they are working on. Next up, we have Dmail. There has been a kind of like an interest of these crypto email things. I don't think anything has really popped out, but we have covered the other one on the channel, and now there's a new one called Dmail. Pretty simple. You sign in with your MetaMask and you get to mint out your own domain. Everything above 11 letters is going to be free mint, so you're going to be only paying gas, and you can pay the gas with Polygon, for example. So you're going to be paying like 2 cents to basically get that domain, and then you can invite other people, which will be getting you points, and those points will be tallying into the actual Dmail airdrop that they're going to be conducting. And then the last entry on this list is the Arkham Intelligence, and they are going to be having a, well, Season 2 inviting, or the next phase of their airdrop. They already dropped the one airdrop. I got the most minimum airdrop, which was already like $200. A lot of people got more with Arkham, and currently they have this inviting phase. There's a lot of like big Palantir co-founder, OpenAI co-founder, Tim Drapers, Geoff Lewis. So a lot of big investors are already part of Arkham. And Arkham is probably going to be a pretty important like analytics platform, and getting the Arkham token has clear utility. So, and there's going to be a phase 2 to that airdrop. So, you know, maybe we have to take like another video looking into deeply in detail on everything. But fundamentally, this is also another big case you want to sign up into, kind of like Nansen. So, because they already have the proof that their token was actually high valued, and there's going to be another drop in, maybe it's bigger, maybe it's smaller, we don't know, but definitely worth watching. But that's pretty much the breakdown for August. As you can see, there's a lot of drops for this month, and there's going to be a lot more of them. And that's why I really recommend joining our Discord community, Telegram community, because that's when we actually are going to be sharing all these details in time, so you can be prepared, because these are just like roundups of the things, and then there are like drops which have like ended already as I'm making this monthly video, so you're going to be missing out on those things if you're not going to be part of the Telegram or the Discord community. But thanks for watching, guys. I will be seeing you in the next video when that will be dropping out. Until then, cheers.